Just added lights to the trailer. It's a 41.5 inch RC fishing boat. Homemade. Took a month and a half to build. With a custom made trailer hitch and a truck receiver on a 1/6 scale trail honcho. I added speakers to the truck. And it is ready for the water for the first outing. First water run. Can't wait. There's the remote, 6-channel remote. Got my camera for in the underwater. Camera mount for top. I got a 6-mode thing for the lights. There's the flashers. There's the steel ones. Oh. It's all done. Ready to for the lake.